बड'लेण्ड इउनिभारसिटियाव फैगौ 4 नबेम्बराव जानो गोनां बिसायख'थियाव बड'लेण्ड इउनिभारसिटिनि फरायसाफोरखौ गावनि बेसेन गोसा भटखौ होनानै देरहासार जाहोनो थाखाय बिलिभ टीमआ बयखौबो खावलायदों।
Khulumbai, Namaskar, Namaste, Johar. My name is Xavier Basumatri. I am from the Department of History, 3rd semester. So in the upcoming BUSU election, I will be contesting for the post of General Secretary. So I request all of you guys to please cast a valuable vote in favor of me and my team Believe. Thank you everyone. Khulumbai.
Khulumbai, Namaste, Namaskar, Johar. My name is Eljon Basumatri. I am from the Department of Economics. In the upcoming BUSU election, I am contesting for the portfolio of President. So I request every one of you to cast your valuable vote in favor of me and my team, Believe. We will try to work for the maximum welfare of our students of Bodoland University, and we will try our level best to work for the welfare of our students and for better services. Thank you.
Khulumbai, Namaste, Namaskar, Johar. My name is Premjit Basumatari. I am from the Department of Economics. In upcoming BUSU election, I am contesting for the portfolio of Vice President. So I request to all the students of Bodoland University to support us. Our team name is Team Believes. Thank you.
Khulumbai, Namaste, Namaskar, Johar. My name is Wilson Islari. I am from Economics Department. In the upcoming BUSU election, I am contesting for the portfolio of Literary Secretary. Please cast your valuable vote in favor of me and my team Believe. Thank you.
Khulumbai, Namaskar. মোৰ নাম মেৰিন গোস্বামী। মই আগন্তুক বুসু নিৰ্বাচনত সাংস্কৃতিক সম্পাদিকা পদত প্ৰতিদ্বন্দ্বিতা আগবঢ়াইছো। গতিকে আপোনালোকৰ বহুমূলীয়া ভোটটো দি মোক জয়যুক্ত কৰিব বুলি মই আশাবাদী আৰু সেই আপোনালোকৰ সহায় সহযোগিতাৰ একান্তভাৱে মই কামনা কৰিছো আৰু মোৰ টিমটোৰ নাম টিম বিলিভ। ধন্যবাদ।
Khulumbai, Namaste, Namaskar. My name is Vikas Basumatari. I am from the Department of Mathematics. In this upcoming BUSU election, I am contesting for the portfolio of Assistant General Secretary. Please do cast your valuable vote for me and my team Believe. Thank you.
Khulumbai, Namaste, Namaskar. My name is Perdang Khungur Musahari. I am studying in Bodoland University in the Department of Political Science. Now I am contesting in upcoming BUSU election in the post of Minor Game Secretary. So I kindly request every student of Bodoland University, please do support me and our team. Our team name is Team Believes. So please support us to the welfare of this university and the betterment of the students of this university. Thank you. Presenter.
Namaskar. Khulumbai. My name is Hemanta Brahman from the Department of History, 3rd semester. In the upcoming BUSU election, I am contesting for the portfolio of debate and symposium. So I request, please cast your vote in favor of me and my entire team. My team name is Team Believe. We believe in unity and students' power.